Hey everyone. Um, I would first just like to say I am really sorry about this entire situation we are in, especially for my upperclassmen. This is a huge bummer, um, and I can't imagine what it's like to get your senior year, or really any year of high school taken away from you. This is your guys' time, um, and this is obviously just awful. Um, Now, this video, first of all, is not a lesson. I just wanted to share some resources I put up for you guys. And this particular one is for my it's in my social concepts second hour. However, this will be the same format for all the other classes. So, just ignore the the social concepts if it's not a social concepts class or the second hour and really have the same thing. I'll post them in the same order. So for some things, I just put some general guidelines right over here. And this is from the World Health Organization about preventing kind of the spread of COVID-19. Um, you know, Personal advice for a lot of stuff for healthcare workers that doesn't water sanitation. Um, Kind of a lot of the recommendations. There's more stuff, kind of what to do in an event of mass gatherings. And so a lot of really great up to date information. This is the United Nations World Health Organization, so they know what they're talking about. Then, for those of you who qualify, there's this link right here, and I'm not exactly sure what the qualifications are. So there is this number right here in an email for some people you can really kind of contact about that. But at Franklin Elementary School, Monroe Elementary School, Hoover, Kennedy, East, and West High School, obviously, they are doing food delivery service, not delivery, food pickup services. So you can go ahead and pick up some food and have access to a meal. So that's something I also wanted to point out for you guys. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna start posting videos. Well, maybe on the 31st is the first day when Mrs. Zank and I are really gonna start doing that. But guys, remember to follow those guidelines, to stay inside, to practice social distancing, to wash your hands. Oh, actually, that's the other thing I posted. I almost forgot to show you guys about that. New York Times. This seems really, really maybe dumb to post, but it's still good things to know about. Um, it's washing your hands is a lot more than just putting some soap on and rinsing it under the water real quick. There's a lot more to it, and this article and this video goes over it. It's not anything in depth, as you can see. But we're all in this together, and the more we practice some of those things that our experts are telling us, the faster this will be over, and the faster we'll be able to get back to normal life. So, if you need anything, though, I will be checking my email from about 8, let's give it 9 a.m. 8 a.m. might be a little early for me, to about 4 to 5 p.m. In the afternoon. So you guys need to contact me, and we'll go into more detail about how class structure is going to work, and it's going to look different, a little bit different for every class. So I look forward to teaching you in this format. It's going to be a learning curve for Mrs. Zank and I and all of your other teachers. So please They're with us, and we'll all figure this out together.